running a SaaS business and do you also want to send bulk messages to all the customers leads you have, then this video can be really helpful for you. So in this video, I'll show you how exactly you can also set up broadcast messaging for your own SaaS business. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 of messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code in order to get a very good discount while purchasing the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now what you have to do is you have to first of all log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add the WhatsApp number, a video dedicated to it's the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. After coming on the dashboard from the left hand of the side, you have to go to it's this template section. First of all, if you have already created the template, it's okay. But if you haven't created the template, you can create the template right from here by going to it's this add template button. If you want to learn in detail how to create the template, the video tutorial dedicated for the same is also attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And yes, if you don't want to send templated message, ignore this step. The second most useful step is contact. So let's go on the contact section from the left hand of the site, and over here you're going to see that I have created multiple contact lists. So first of all, you also have to create a contact list something like this. And if you also want to learn how to create a contact list, so you have to go to it's this add contact button and then add bulk contact, and then you have to upload this CSV file right over here. And from where are you going to get this CSV file? You have to enter all the contact details in a single spreadsheet. Go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format. It is very important that you download this in CSV format right over here. Alright, so now what you have to do is after uploading this, all the contacts will be uploaded in this sheet, and then automatically you can create the list using the same. For the wish to learn more about this contact section, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same is attached in the description box below. This video is only going to focus on this broadcast section. So let's go on this broadcast section from the left end of the site, and once we're on this broadcast section, what we have to do is we have to click on this add broadcast button. Once we click on this add broadcast button, we have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. For the name, simply enter the name. So let's say I want to notify them about the free trial, so I'm just going to keep the broadcast name as free trial. And now I'm just going to move in further. For the contact list, you can select multiple contact lists right over here to whom you want to send this broadcast. And this was the reason why I said that it is very important that you create the contact list before starting. And now you have to select the contact list right over here. As you can see, I have selected this contact list right over here. Now it is asking me for the message type, so if you want, you can definitely select the regular message and type the regular message right over here. Otherwise, if you have created the template, you can go to it's this pre-approved template message and select the WhatsApp template like this. And now over here in this WhatsApp template, it is saying body field 1. And now in this WhatsApp template, it is saying body field 1. So what is this body field 1? So for that, you have to go from the left hand of the side towards this settings and then contact custom fields. And over here, you are going to see that these 4 contact custom fields will be there in your account if you have created a new account too, because these 4 are universal and the rest are temporary. You can add or delete them, but these 4 can't be deleted or added. These 4 are in all the accounts. And what I want is I want this body field 1, which is this 1, should be replaced with the name of the lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to enter the lead's name in this body field 1, but not for the one lead. I want to create this automation for all the leads I have in this contact list, right? So for that, we're just going to use this contact custom field and we're going to create a dynamic value. I'm just going to go to it's this name and I'm just going to copy this field name and paste it right over here. Now this dollar name is going to be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. That's the reason this contact custom field is a very useful feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now you have to click on this done and you have simply selected your WhatsApp template. Now it is saying username and mobile number. So before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple contacts, you can test it right over here. So let's say I'm just going to test test it, I'm just going to enter the username and then the mobile number, and then I'm going to click on this send test message. And now it says test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp, and I'm going to see that we have received a new WhatsApp message, and this message looks correct and I can send it to multiple contacts at once. Alright, so let's move on further, and yes, you can see that we have successfully tested this broadcast. Now you have two options: schedule broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this broadcast instantly, you can select no send instantly and click on this add broadcast button. Otherwise, you can also schedule it for later. And to schedule this broadcast for later, you have to click on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time right over here. And you have to keep in mind the format of this date and time, which is month, date, year, hours and minutes. So this is very important. So for that, you have to select the date and time right from here, and I want to schedule this broadcast for tomorrow 12 p.m. So I'm just going to select the date and time and click on this add broadcast button. Now you can see the broadcast is scheduled for tomorrow, and yes, you're going to see all the details are done and this broadcast is ready to run. Now further, when this broadcast is going to run, I can see this sent on this broadcast, and then further, if I want, I can view the stats of this broadcast too. And yes, you can see that you can view the total sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed, and all of this right over here. So like this, you can also automate the bulk WhatsApp marketing for your own SaaS business without any manual intervention. And yes, if you have any doubts while creating this, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Go and try this, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can send up to 100 of messages for free. And if you like Pabbly Chatflow, don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.